Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to track job applications on LinkedIn. So in this video, you will know if you have applied for some jobs, how to track your applications. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the LinkedIn app and open it. After that, go and click on jobs on the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see in the top of the screen, there is some options. You have to click on My Jobs. And as you can see here, you will find like everything that you need. So you will find your saved jobs, the applications in progress if you applied for something, the applied one, that means the past ones, you will find them here, and the archived jobs also, you will find them here. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like